For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
After India and China concluded working mechanism for consultation and coordination meeting, the MEA issued a statement saying the two sides agreed that restoration of peace and tranquility in border areas is essential for the overall development of ties. During the meeting, both sides agreed to continue ongoing engagements and reaffirmed that in accordance with agreements reached between foreign ministers, the sides will continue to work towards complete disengagement along LAC in the western sector. Satellite images reveal China is building surface-to-air missile site at Mansarovar Lake. China has increased its troop deployment near Lipu Lake, the place that became a trigger for strained relations between New Delhi and Kathmandu. Lipu Lake is tri-junction between India, Nepal and China, situated atop the Kalapani Valley in Uttarakhand. Sources said that China has deployed 150 light combined arms brigade. The Ministry of External Affairs said that it was in touch with Pakistan through diplomatic channels with respect to the Kulbhushan Jadhav case for a free and fair trial of and in keeping with the letter and spirit of the International Court of Justice judgment in the case. India has asked that Jadhav be represented by Indian lawyer during his review plea. MEA also said that it is important that Pakistan addresses the core issues in the case. India on Thursday gave a befitting reply to Pakistan at the 5th World Conference of Speakers of Parliament and asked the international community to isolate Pakistan for sponsoring terrorism. The Indian authorities also said that Jammu and Kashmir has been and will remain an integral part of India. Amid the rising coronavirus cases, the Punjab government on Thursday announced a weekend lockdown in all 167 cities and towns in the state and increased the night curfew period by 2 hours. Daily night curfew and weekend lockdown from now on. The announcement came on a day the state saw its biggest single-day spike of 1,741 cases, taking the tally to 37,824. 37 more fatalities were also recorded in the state and the death toll now stands at 957. The centre is considering initial procurement of around 50 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine for frontline workers, army personnel and certain other categories of individuals. The prioritization of the vaccine once it passes regulatory requirements and becomes available has been under discussion in government along with the planning supply of chains and distribution. Unfazed by controversies, Congress leader and chairman of the parliamentary panel on IT, Shashi Tharoor, on Thursday summoned Facebook to appear before the panel to discuss the issue of alleged misuse of social media platforms in the wake of claims that the US firm did not apply hate speech rules to certain BJP politicians. Besides representatives of Facebook, the representatives of the Ministry of External Affairs and Information Technology have also been asked to remain present during the 2nd September deposition. The court had on 18th August said that technicalities would not come in the way of enforcing recovery of the AGR dues. The top court had in October 2019 upheld the expanded definition of AGR as given by the Department of Telecommunications. Heavy rainfall triggered waterlogging in parts of Palwal in Haryana. Villages in Pura Bazar block in Ayodhya have been flooded after water level in Sarayu river increased. Locals said that they were facing lots of difficulties and the entire area has been flooded.